This could not be the same hair. Can you believe this is the same hair that I reviewed 2 weeks ago? This does not look like the unit I did the twist out on. Like, oh my goodness, who would have thought straightening this unit was gonna be so freaking beautiful? Ladies, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Carrie M. If you're new here, please, for your girl, hook me up. Click on that pretty red subscribe button so you don't miss anything when I upload. And if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, make sure you hit up that notification bell. So first of all, the video is sponsored by Hergivenhair. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you did not 2 weeks ago see the initial video, install, and review on this unit, check out that video if you didn't. It looks like a totally different unit, y'all. And I was in love with it then, and I'm in love with it now, okay? So in that initial video, I did the initial install, the unboxing, and I showed you the natural curl pattern of this wig, and I went ahead and did the twist out, shared a couple of styles and things that you could do with the unit, and I'll let you know my thoughts on this unit. So we're here this week because I want to show you what else this wig offers. Everybody's budget is different, and if you are considering some units or some wigs that you want to invest in, something that's going to last you a long time, something that you could do multiple styles with, definitely consider this unit, okay? You will have it for years to come. It is quality. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to give you the update. I've been rocking that twist out. I've been wearing it for 2 weeks straight, and then I went ahead and straightened it, and I'm going to revert it back to the natural curl so you can see what this wig is really hitting for. I have been wearing this wig out and about as my designated wig for 2 weeks, so you can definitely see it's gotten a little stiff. We have some wear on her, and I've been wearing her glueless, and sometimes I would melt down this area, but as you can see, she's glueless right now. I just want to show you what she looks like after 2 weeks of wear. She looks really good considering this is literally the only wig that I've been wearing outside since I installed this unit 2 weeks ago. So you know, she still has a little look to her. She's still cute, very, very natural. And yeah, so get your last look at this girl, because we about to transform this baby up, okay? All right, y'all. So firstly, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Blow Dry It Smoothing Cream Heat Protection. It's very important to make sure you're putting heat protectant on this hair because you do not want to cause heat damage. You want it to revert back, and make sure you get it all over the hair, okay, y'all? It is very important. Now, you want to make sure you detangle that hair really, really good because this is a coily unit. So I'm using my paddle brush. You can use a white tooth comb. And then when it comes to blow drying it, y'all, I'm going to use the paddle brush to loosen it up, working my way from the bottom to the top, because it's going to be easier to do the next step, which is what's going to actually give it the straighter look, and that's using the round bristle brush. So that friction and that pull that this brush gives is what's going to help give it a sleeker look, so it's not frizzy and still looking too textured. So oh, this hair, y'all, this hair is like, you already know what it looked like because you saw it already, but I was super excited to do this. So I love showing y'all the process. As you can see, the shrinkage is real. Now, I did a light dusting on the unit because it did have a little bit of frayed ends. I did not trim it. I just literally did a dusting just to clean it up a little bit. So again, I'm going to apply some heat protection. I love this smoothing polisher heat protectant. It smells good, and it's going to help smooth the hair out because the unit is textured. I wanted to use something that was going to give it a little gloss, a little flow, a little silkiness to it, okay? And make sure you get that on every single piece, just like I said before with the blow drying. Now I'm going to use my comb. Now you need to get you a comb that's good to handle heat. I will put the link to everything I'm using in the description box below, and I will be going through. I did 2 passes on the hair, on the roots, and then 1 towards the end, and then I bumped the end. So that is how I got the look, basically, okay? Now the unit I installed like very similar to the first installation in the initial video. So if you want to see that video, I will link it in the description box, of course. So this hair straightened is giving me someone's natural scalp hair that has the tightest kinkiest coils ever. Never ever lifted a relaxer to it and you said, today I'm gonna straighten my hair out. This is that. You're never going to get a silky texture on it because it's not a silky unit and it's no relaxer. We're gonna have texture and it's straight, it's moving, and it has flow, and it's beautiful, and it looks so realistic. Like, you would not be able to tell that this is the same wig from 2 weeks ago. Like, girl, she's giving so much life. She has body, texture, volume, she's moving, she has flow, and she feels so nice to the touch. She's very soft, y'all. I just love this unit, y'all. I have no cons with it straight either. She was easy. Definitely recommend, like I said, if you're looking for a wig that you want to have to be able to go to and wear every day, have it for some time. You want to wear it in a natural curlier state, or you want to wear it straight. This is that, okay? She banging. She the ball. I gotta show y'all what it's hitting for after we do all this work. We gotta know how she reverts back to its natural state. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, it took literally only 3 minutes and 9 seconds for this hair to convert back to its original curl pattern. Of course, it was still wet, so it didn't dry up and shrink or anything yet. But I have the video sped up and I didn't cut out any parts because I wanted y'all to see. Like, all I did was literally spray the hair with some water, comb it through to make sure the entire unit was saturated. And then I am going to go in with some of my curl cream. Same product that I used in the initial video. Listen, I try to keep it minimal, okay? Just use what you need for what you're trying to do. And I just applied it to the hair, combed it through, make sure it was nicely saturated, and then the hair literally did its thing. You can kind of see it converting already, but the more time that you wait, the more is going to get more defined, the more is going to shrink up a bit. So it's just a little waiting game. But honestly, by the time I finished doing this side of my hair, when I got started on the other side, it was already almost looking exactly how it was when I first got the wig or whatever. So as you can see, look at that. Look at that. It's crazy. 3 minutes and 9 seconds that I sped up, and that's crazy. But anyways, this is what it looks like when you compare the straight side to that side. The shrinkage is definitely real, okay? I didn't think that the unit was this long, but I should have known because our hair really does shrink up a whole lot. And again, this is when I finish it all. You can see one side is still trying to shrink up, but this is like 10 minutes later. The hair is still a little bit damp, so the curl pattern is definitely snapping back, honey. It's coming back, but it's still a little wet. So this is the next day. And as you can see, the hair swelled up a whole lot. The hair shrunk up. The hair is much fuller, and our texture is back. So it's snapped back. No heat damage. The hair is doing what the hair is supposed to be doing. It's doing its thing, okay? And as you can see, this is definitely different from the twist out. So do 2 different textures. Don't get it confused. This is the natural texture and that's the twist out texture. What's up, ladies? So today is literally the next day after I converted the curls back. So last night it was still very wet and it wasn't giving this exact look, but it was similar. But I wanted you to see what it looked like when it dried down. And as you can see, the hair is still giving its natural curl pattern. Everything snapped back. Thank goodness I didn't do any heat damage to this unit. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at the texture, look at the close-up. You still have the coils on the end. It's beautiful, beautiful. Still giving naturalista. Okay, so I am definitely here for this unit. It's very versatile. The fact that I freaking did a twist out on this unit, I straightened it, and it snapped back to its natural curl pattern. Like, girl, it doesn't get any better than this. So I do love this wig. Your girl was feeling a way about having to take the straightened hair out and convert it back, because I was like, I am loving it straight. But girl, this is definitely a vibe too. So beautiful. Got my little natural beat on, my little glasses, because I'm going out. I can't wear lashes if I'm going with my glasses, and your girl blind. But yes, girl, yes. Feeling myself. I am definitely feeling myself. I need you ladies to let me know in the comment section, do you prefer the twist out, the natural curls as is, or the straight look? Either way, I think she's banging in all styles, but this one is just giving me everything, child. She's beautiful. Of course, a direct link to this unit will be linked in the description box below, so definitely check it out. I highly recommend this unit, and y'all know I keep it a buck every time. This wig is bae, and I think she's definitely worth the coin, and you're gonna get some wears out of her for years to come with proper care. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I'll see you ladies in another video. This was super fun. I love you. See you later. Bye.